kind of long overdue. UNC had like a big, I guess, outburst of COVID. They made some of their students move off campus, and you had the choice to either stay or move off campus. So you could have filled out a form to stay on campus if you wanted to. But I lived in a suite with 4 people. Unfortunately, 2 of my friends went back home to Charlotte, and me and my other friend Abby, we decided that we wanted to stay because ain't nobody trying to go back home. We found this little townhouse. It's okay. It's not anything like fancy. Like we wanted more of a modern place. So that's why y'all really not gonna get like a apartment tour from me, because the place is just like basic to me. But I'm happy to have a place. Like I said, we did move last minute, so I really didn't I got to decorate the room. Like I moved some of my other decorations that I had in my room in Rams, and I moved it here. But like I got new lights, I got some new stuff like to add to the room, because the room is bigger than Rams, so I had to like try to fill up the space. But yeah, enough of me talking. Let's get into the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me open the door. Ooh. Ooh. Did they get more blue in here, or is it just me? So there's this mirror, and right above it, there is a little canvas that says, "Be still and know that I am God." And then this one says, "Love is all you need." And this one says, "Live simply." I got this canvas and this one from At Home. I think I got this one from At Home too, so probably I got all of them from At Home. Over here is my mini refrigerator. On top of it, I just have my candles, and then my refrigerator is standing on this little stand. It was to be a nightstand, but when I bought it, it was too like low. I think I got it from either Wayfair or Amazon. And then down here, of course, you got to be stacked. Got the mask, the gloves, and then other stuff like pencils, and I keep extra stuff in there. And then to the left, you have my bed. It's black, like I said, with the theme. And then you have all those pillows. I try to get these silky pillow because it just feels cold. I like cold pillows. Like when I'm going to sleep, I like stuff to be cold. So when I lay my head on there, it's just like really cold and it just feels good. I did have to buy new sheets. So I got these sheets from Walmart, and it looks so pretty. Like I just think it pulls the room together so nicely, because just look at it. Like it just looks so nice. I just like the pattern, and I just like how it ties everything together. So yep, that's this little corner. That is that little corner. I'm telling y'all, my room is pretty basic and simple. Over here is one of my favorite parts, because I put all of this together, y'all. Let me move this chair, but I really put this together. I watch a bunch of DIYs on Instagram, trying to find like inspirations on how to make a little vanity, because I needed a desk and I needed somewhere to put my makeup. So I watch a bunch of YouTube videos to like find methods of making a little vanity, because I was not trying to pay like $300 for a vanity, because I don't got that type of money. So I bought this little bookshelf thing from Amazon, and let me tell y'all, this was a struggle to put together, and it's still not even holding together correctly if you look. So yeah, on this little bookshelf, I put like extra stuff. Like it's a bunch of, what did I say, anonymous, like a bunch of extra things in here. I just put it in there, and then that has some makeup in it. This is my lotion, moisturizers, lip gloss, extra mirror, more lotion and stuff, and deodorant, you know, just extra stuff that I can just grab right here close to me. And then this little lamp is so cute. I got it from Target. And then of course you got my wigs. I put as I know, I make hair videos, so I put wigs that I have to do videos on over here, so that I can be reminded every day when I look, oh yeah, you need to make that video. And then that's my wig stand. I don't know how I did that, but I bleached my wig stand. So if you know what I did wrong, just let me know. And it's just sitting in the little corner. Over here is just a mirror. I love this mirror. It's just so cute, and I just like that it like kind of shines a little over there. It's just so nice to me. And I got this from At Home. If y'all couldn't tell, I love At Home. And then over here is my little makeup stand, like makeup organizer. This is from At Home. This right here, I'm so glad I bought this. Like it was $10 from Amazon, and I just love that I can keep everything in there, like my beauty blenders, my makeup brushes, and everything. This is probably from Walmart, this little one. And then this one It's from at home, but it wasn't like in the makeup section. It was just like in like the kitchen, I think. So I just bought it to put my stuff in there. Right here I just put my laptop, and down here is just cords hidden, well, attempted to be hidden. And then this is my vanity mirror. This is my prized possession in this room. I just feel like it just ties the room together. Like, I just love it. I wanted to buy like a vanity stool, but I don't know, I just pulled this from downstairs, and I just think it goes with the room too, because it's like, it goes with the black and white theme. This is my favorite section of my room, and it is right next to my bed, so I can just get up, roll out of bed, sit there, and do my makeup. And then I got some little like sheer curtains because I didn't want to get thick curtains, and I wanted something white to just pull the room together. So I got these from Walmart, and they're probably like $5.99. I got 3 packs of it. And then the lights that's going along the walls, I got those from Amazon, and I actually like these a lot. And I'm so shook that it actually like filled my whole room. But yeah, the lights are from Amazon. And then this ring light has been through it, y'all. Like, it's broken right now because I'm missing a piece, and I don't even know where that piece went. But that's just my ring light. I love that. Love of my life. Yeah, it's the newer brand from Amazon. And then this right here is just a chair that people can sit in. I did put makeup on my pillow on accident. That's the thing about me with this white theme. I didn't realize that I do makeup a lot. Like, it was kind of a dumb move, but not really a dumb move because I like it. Oh, I forgot to say, the little curtain rods kind of have like a little crystal thing on the end, and that is from At Home. No, that's from Walmart. And it was super easy to hook the little thing up here. I swear I was being a handyman when I was moving in here. Like, really, I'm a handyman for real. And then that's the little chair. The chair's from Target. The pillow is from Hobby Lobby. And then this right here is just a little ottoman. It keeps like my blow dryers, straighteners, some wigs are in there. This is from my freshman dorm, and this is from Rams because I didn't have enough dressers in here to fit my clothes. It kind of looks tacky to me. I don't really like that. It's like plastic containers, but I mean, it's whatever. I just keep some of my clothes in there, like jeans and stuff that couldn't fit in here. So let me sit down for this one. Over here is just my TV. And then I got the plant from Hobby Lobby. And then those are just like lotions and stuff that I need. This was from freshman year. And when I look at it, it just reminds me to breathe and calm down and not to like stress about everything that's going on in life. That's my Amazon Echo. And that is a air diffuser. And it makes the room smell so good. And then I just have this little plant over there. The plant is also from Hobby. No, it's not. I lied. The plant is from Target. And then these dresses came with the room, and I just keep like my bras, underwears, and all that good stuff. I put 2 command hooks on the back of the door so that I can hang my towel, so that if I'm going to the bathroom, I can just grab it quick and go. Let me just give y'all a little quick. Told y'all my room is pretty simple. And then that's my purse. And then this is a calendar that I never write on, but I'm supposed to be writing on it and keeping track of when I exercise and stuff. But I just haven't got to it. My closet, y'all, don't judge. This is like my closet. We kind of rushed into the whole moving thing, like because it was so like sudden. So everything is not put together, but it's a pretty good amount of space. Over here is just boxes and stuff. And I have my shoes in this one box, like in these bags and stuff that I haven't even went through yet. But this is just the closet, and I did put a hook to hang like my loofah. I don't know why this loofah is over here. It should be over here. Hang my loofah and my purses and belts and stuff. And then yeah, y'all, this is basically it. This is my room. I really love my room. It's just somewhere I can just like come and relax and chill. I think it's so cute and so peaceful, and I'm just proud of myself for putting it all together. But yeah, y'all. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, this is my ottoman, and it keeps some of my extra clothes in there, and it just pulls the room together nicely because it goes with the theme. But yeah, y'all, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it was so like overdue. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.